In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your email signature in Apollo.io. Whether you're looking to update your contact information or simply want to add a personal touch to your message, this quick guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to your computer or preferred device and open up your web browser. This can be any browser of your choice: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, you name it. Once the browser is up, head to the search bar and type in apollo.io. You'll then be directed to the Apollo website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. You have the option to log in using your email credentials, or, if you prefer a simpler route, using single sign-on, often referred to as SSO. Choose whichever method works best for you, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the apollo.io dashboard. Now, to edit your signature, you'll need to access the settings. Look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the icon that represents Settings. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Mailboxes. This option leads you to a list of all your available mailboxes within Apollo.io. From here, identify and click on the specific mailbox whose signature you wish to modify. Each mailbox might serve a different purpose, so make sure you select the correct one to update. Now, once you've clicked on your desired mailbox, scroll down to find the signature field. This is where your current signature will be displayed, and it's where you can input any changes you wish to make. Feel free to type in your new signature. Apollo.io provides a flexible, rich text editor for this very purpose. This intuitive tool allows you to format your signature to fit your needs. You can bold certain parts of the text, italicize them for emphasis, or even go as far as including images and utilizing HTML for more advanced customization. You can experiment a bit with these options to get your signature looking exactly as you wish. Once you're satisfied with your newly edited signature and have finished adjusting the style and content, it's crucial to ensure that your changes are saved. Look for a Save button, usually located near the bottom or top of the page. Click on it, and your updated signature will be stored and ready for use. That's it. You've successfully updated your email signature in Apollo.io. This small tweak can make a big difference in how you represent yourself in communications, adding both professionalism and personal flair to your correspondence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.